Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. You're watching Indian Cooking with Sugandhi. We're going to have an Italian dish today. Actually, two dishes. Chicken pasta and vegetarian pasta, or you can call it vegan pasta. It's very easy to make and it's very, very delicious. And I'm sure you'll like it. So let's see the ingredients we'll be using in today's recipes. So we need pasta, of course. Or you can add oil or a little bit of butter and just mix it nicely. And for the chicken pasta, we have 1 piece of chicken breast meat. And for the marination, I have garlic powder, chili powder, and some salt. And these are the things I'll be using for the pasta gravy. A piece of cabbage and spring onion, tomatoes, onion, mushrooms, and garlic, cumin seeds. And I have green chilies. This is optional. I'm going to chop this and then I'm going to saute this and cool them and grind them. That's going to be the gravy. Before cutting these vegetables for sauteing, I'm going to marinate the chicken. Just cut it across. Put some salt, chili powder, very little chili powder, garlic powder. Okay, turn the other side. And I'm going to put this aside. So let it marinate. So I'm going to mix it a little bit. Okay. I'm going to first cut the onion. We're going to saute it so it doesn't have to be perfect in any way. So next I'm going to cut the bell peppers. I'm going to cut the mushrooms. Some cumin seeds. Just about half a teaspoon. And garlic, I'm taking about 5 cloves of garlic. I'm going to just slice them. Green chilies. These are very spicy chilies, so I'm going to add just maybe just 1, or maybe 2, that's fine. Red bell pepper and mushroom, add it to the pasta, so it adds flavor, and also your pasta will be nice and colorful. So now I'm going to add the tomato. You don't want to add too much tomato, otherwise the tomato taste will overpower the other vegetables and your pasta will taste like spaghetti. So a little longer until the tomato is cooked, and then we can take that out and cool it. The spring onion is for garnishment, and we'll cut this at the end. I think this is done. So I'm going to take it and I'm going to cool it. I'm going to rinse the pan and use the same water while grinding the sauteed vegetables, so you won't lose all this flavor. I'm just going to pour it on this. So I'm going to let it cool. Let's saute the vegetable that's going to go with the pasta and saute the pasta also. So while sauteing the pasta, I'm going to add some crushed garlic. Easy way to peel the garlic is just crush it with the skin, and then it'll just open up and you can take the skin out. See, like this. You just have to get the skin out and your garlic is here. The onion first. I'm going to add the bell pepper pieces, and I'll add the mushroom in the end because mushroom doesn't take that long to cook. I don't want the mushroom to become too mushy. Add just a pinch of salt. Okay, I'm going to add the mushrooms now. Okay, this is done. I'm going to take it out. Keep them aside. Now I'm going to fry the chicken. A little bit of oil. See, this part, it takes longer to cook. When I press it, I don't see any soft spots, so it's nicely cooked. I'm going to fry the pasta. While the pan is warming up, I'm going to grind these sauteed vegetables. The sauce is ready. Okay, pan is warm enough, so I'm going to add the garlic. So now I'm going to add the pasta. Garlic actually, it gives a nice flavor to the pasta. So I'm going to add red bell pepper, mushroom and the onion that we sauteed. Now I'm going to add the sauce. See how colorful it is? Just leave it for a few minutes until all the flavors combine. Now I'm going to take out some pasta, and that's going to be the vegetarian pasta. See how beautiful it is, how colorful it is. I'm going to add the chicken now. So that's it. This is your chicken pasta. So here is your spicy chicken pasta. So the pastas are ready. Doesn't have any cream or any cheese. It's very healthy and very delicious. This is the chicken pasta, the vegetarian pasta. And for the vegetarian pasta, you can add some soy sausages and some other vegetables. And I hope you enjoy the show. Please subscribe my channel Indian Cooking with Sugandhi. Please share it with your friends and family. Subscription is free, and please click the bell button and you will be notified whenever I post new videos. And I'll be back soon with another interesting recipe. Until then, take care. Thank you for watching.